Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as every week I'm back here in the warehouse taking a look to see what items are back in stock for your classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I managed to find this week. So first up this week we've got a couple of new items. Part number 132170, that's a tail lamp support kit including the tail fairing for the 1973 to 78 Commandos. That's the 750 and the 850, and that is £134.34 including VAT. And part number 132171, the tail lamp support kit including the tail fairing for the 71 and 72 Commando 750 Roadster and Interstate for the rounded Lucas 697 rear lamp, and that is £203.94 including VAT. Part number NM16294, that's the petrol tap in brass and nickel, that is £37.57 including VAT. The steering stem top nut, that's chrome plated as well, that's part number 060340, that is £16.32 including VAT. Part number 067070, the engine valve spring set for all 650, 750, 850 twins is £39 including VAT. And finally, brake pads, that's part number 066005 at £25.14 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned, don't forget you can check out the Andover Norton website and see what items are available for your bike. And if the item that you need isn't available right now, you can set yourself an email reminder just by clicking a simple box. If you're not sure how to do it, go and check out the video in the section below. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.